Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need a few essentials first, so install Homebrew and run xcode select install. This gives you compilers. Once done, install Python 3. 11 or newer with Brew, then create and activate a virtual environment to isolate packages. Make sure your Mac supports Metal if you plan to use GPU acceleration, and confirm you have free disk space for models. Now that the environment exists, you're ready to pip install required libraries and proceed to fetch the Playground code. You'll clone the image Playground repository and select the stable branch for compatibility. This avoids experimental breaks. Once cloned, activate your venv and pip install R requirements. TXT so dependencies are tied to that environment. Configure model locations and hardware flags by editing the env or config. JSON, point model path to your downloaded model, and set use metal or use GPU true if available. After configuration, run the setup script to download assets and compile any native extensions required. You can now launch the Playground with the provided start command. Monitor logs for missing packages or model loading errors. Once running, perform a simple inference to verify outputs and measure latency. This confirms GPU is used if expected. To make it persistent, set up a launch agent or tmux session. If something goes wrong, first ensure your virtual environment is active and paths point to the right model. Then check file permissions and that Python versions match. These fixes resolve most start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.